Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Shalmali Zadav and I make videos on personal development and self-growth. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to talk about some simple habits to stay productive. The first habit is to wake up early. The morning is a great time of the day because it sets you up with focus, energy, and enthusiasm. Having a substantial amount of time before you begin work allows you to transition into workday. I love enjoying a glass of warm water in the morning because that really boosts me up. This RAM period is thought to help reduce stress, allowing you to start your day on a positive note rather than a stressed one. During mornings, I also love to sit with myself since it's very calm outside. There's no noise of traffic, no rushing to work, and no distractions. The second habit is to organize my bed. As they say, making your bed every morning is correlated with better productivity. The third habit is to do gratitude journaling. Journaling every morning will help you to focus your attention on the positive things in your life. You can practice gratitude by simply writing down 5 things that you're grateful for. I also have the habit of writing down one motivational quote every day. This evolves a sense of confidence within me. Those words of wisdom also bring a sense of motivation to overcome my fears and achieve my goals. The next habit is to set up your workstation. I make sure that my workplace is silent and lighting is optimal. I set up my table in such a way that the books, the files, the laptop are placed properly and in a comfortable manner. I also love to keep a plant at table that brings me a feeling of relaxation. Once you set up your workstation, the next thing to do is to prepare a to-do list. Your to-do list helps you to keep a track on your schedule and manage your time. I prefer a color-coded to-do list by dividing it into 3 categories: academic to-do, personal to-do, and work to-do. I also put it on my work table in such a way that it is properly visible to me. This type of to-do helps me sort my tasks in a proper way. After writing a to-do list, I sort that list into a priority list and I write down one or more important goals for the day. I write down that important goal on a piece of paper and put it on the board in front of my table so that it remains in front of my eyes all the day. Setting one or more important goals helps me stay focused and track my progress of the work. It is very important to keep yourself hydrated and energized to keep productivity levels in check. I usually refer lemon with water to keep myself hydrated and some dry fruits in a bowl to make sure that I don't go for a long without eating. While most of them follow Pomodoro technique, I work for 30 minutes straight. I usually set a timer for 30 minutes to keep a track on time and that I don't keep on working for too long. After every 30 minutes, I make sure I take a break of at least 5 or 10 minutes. Working for long stretches leads to stress and exhaustion and in turn drains your productivity. Taking regular break helps you boost your performance. Plan to do something in breaks that you enjoy. For me, it's making a shake to drink. I enjoy making apple smoothie for myself as it takes hardly 3 minutes. In spite of all the work, find at least 15 minutes of the day to do things that you love. Read books, talk to loved ones, learn something new, or just listen to music. Throughout the day, we get so busy with work, finishing deadlines, rushing through projects, and hurrying on to the next thing. But taking out time to do things that you love is important for your mental and emotional well-being. It is absolutely important to relax after a tiring and working day. Hence, I choose to go outdoors for a walk or enjoy some time in the greens. Towards the end, I really feel that you find these tips to be helpful. Don't forget to share this video with your friends so that even they can stay motivated throughout the day. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I shall see you soon with the next video. Bye.